I'll show you how to install a light fixture.
Up here we have a bare bulb. Turn off the breaker, remove the light bulb. Loosen up the screws and lower the socket. Remove the wires. We'll straighten up the wires.
This is stranded wire, so we'll use the orange wire nuts.
We'll connect the two white wires with the wire nut. And we'll connect the black wires. Spin the wire nuts as tight as you can. Wrap everything with electrical tape. Wrap the copper ground to the copper ground. Push the wires back up into the box. We'll put the light up and put the screws in.
We'll grab a couple number 1032 thread. On the fixture up above, we want to make sure that the bolt will go through and slide over.
We'll set the screws in a bit.
The spacing of the holes are off, so we're going to need to use a bracket.
Now we can adjust for the bolt pattern. We'll line up the studs and then we'll put a nut on. Snug everything up all the way to the ceiling. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Place the light bulb in, flip the breaker on.
We'll check the light.
Everything turns on. Screw in the shaft for the glass globe. We'll set the glass into place. Tighten everything up.
Now we've got the light installed.